We're continuing to stay on top of this breaking story, and it's time now to go over to the Pinpoint Weather Center. 17's Alissa Carlson standing by with the latest.
Certainly looking at a lot of flooding there, and as you mentioned, Jim, it was up to about the ankles, so it was still okay to drive through, but normally you should not be driving through flood waters, as of course your car can easily become submerged. This is more rainfall on the east side of Bakersfield, where we have seen about 1/4 of an inch here throughout the city, so most areas picking up quite a bit of rain. Let's take a look at the radar and actually some pictures that I'm getting in here to the newsroom. Mindy Reed showing us the view here on the Grapevine. You can see the mudslide there as it's making its way on the 5, and that is southbound I-5 near the Grapevine, obviously kind of knocking that sign over. Another picture showing cars stuck in the mud here along southbound I-5, and here's a view from the overpass. So certainly we are again watching for delays. If you are traveling southbound, you're not going to be going far. Best bet is probably to go a different direction through Tehachapi. A lot of folks are trying to head that direction, and still looking for some storms working through there, and probably some ponding on the roadways through the Tehachapi area and the 58 as well. Also looking to the north now, as we are seeing the heavy rain moving through Delano, so they are getting in on the action, and we also saw those showers through Wasco and Shafter here. Still watching for heavy rainfall there. Things are lightening up a little bit in some parts of Bakersfield, but we still have some moderate rainfall to heavy downpours passing on through, I should say. And as we head back off here toward the west, Taft seeing some rainfall, some heavy views there as well. We make our way down to the south as we head toward Pine Mountain Club, also looking at heavy amounts of rain working through that area. So for once, or I shouldn't say for once, we got it last night too, but Kern County seeing a bit of precipitation here as well as the lightning, and we are the ones getting the action aside from all the folks around us. Now as we head into tonight, I still think we'll have some more activity here on the radar popping up, but this is probably the bulk of the precipitation. I think after this we'll get a break in the action, and then we'll see maybe a few scattered showers tonight, but this is probably the main system passing on through. To the south, we still have that severe thunderstorm warning over in the Antelope Valley, watching out for that, and flooding as we head through the Grapevine. Looking at 73 degrees for our temperature, much cooler thanks to that cloud cover. Humidity value at 79%, the dew point's at 66, and winds are out of the west at 5 miles per hour. Upper level low continues to inch closer, and it has a lot of moisture with it. Obviously, as we are looking at more rainfall than what we saw yesterday, even as we head into the southeastern portion of the state, we're looking at heavier amounts of rain. Now, as we head into tomorrow, we'll still see a chance here into the mountains and desert locations. FUTURECAST models picking up on a little bit here as we head into the early portion of the afternoon tomorrow, and then by say this time tomorrow night, here it comes again. So we'll be watching out for, once again, the chance of rain as well as thunderstorms into our mountains and down by the Grapevine. And then as we head into Saturday and Sunday, another system drops on in here from the Pacific Northwest. That area of low pressure will bring some cooler air and will bring us just a lesser chance here of precipitation, and mainly in the form of rain, not thunderstorms, for Saturday and Sunday. So here you go. We'll look for lower 80s the next few days. And then as we head into next week, 86 on Tuesday, 90 by Wednesday and Thursday, with lows in the 60s. And as we make our way into the mountains, still a 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms here tomorrow, a better chance than what we'll see in Bakersfield. And then 70s and 60s after that, overnight lows in the 40s and into the Kern River Valley. 80 on Friday, mid to upper 70s as we head into Saturday, lower 70s here for Sunday, 80s by Tuesday and Wednesday.
Well, it was in the forecast.
Yeah.
We didn't know it was going to come down this hard, though.
Right,
You never can tell when those storm cells.
You can't. So, and we've been talking about this mudslide issue, and that's not good. So we need the rain, but we don't need mudslides.
Yeah.
And I would guess to estimate that this is just the beginning of what is going to be a very wet winter for California. No doubt.
Thanks, Alissa.